Here are the parameters you want to look for in any keyword you want to include on your Amazon affiliate site. The keyword should be a buyer keyword. Ideally, it should start with best or end in review or reviews. You could also target product names and model numbers. You would also want to include a small percentage of non-buyer informational keywords on your site. For these informational type keywords, you do not have to care about keyword difficulty or any of the other parameters we will discuss here. Keyword difficulty. You want keywords to have a keyword difficulty score of less than 25. Those are usually the easiest to rank for. It's highly unusual that you will find buyer keywords with a difficulty score of less than 15, but if you do, consider yourself lucky. As we will see later, you want the vast majority of keywords you initially target to have a difficulty score of less than 25. But as your site grows in size and ages, Google will start trusting your site more. After maybe a few months to a year's time, once your site ranks for a significant number of phrases in the top 10, your site would have become more trusted. At that point, you will be able to target harder keywords and rank for them more easily. One of the biggest mistakes folks do is they try to rank for medium to hard difficulty keywords from day one. That's not possible, not unless you employ dangerous black hat methods. You want to target easy to rank buyer keywords when you are just getting started and your site does not have the authority yet. Once you are ranking for several phrases in the top 10, ranking for harder keywords becomes a lot easier. More so if you apply the on-page tactics we will be discussing later. Domain availability. Easiest keywords all have one thing in common. Exact match domains .com, .net and .org are all available. On the other hand, for medium keywords, one or more of the exact match domains may not be available. For hard keywords, none of the exact match domains will be available. If none of the exact match domains are available, it usually is a clear indication that the keyword is hard to rank and has a lot of SEOs going after it. On-page SEO. For very easy phrases, none of the top 10 Google results will have the exact phrase in the URL, title, description, or H1 tags. Domain authority. If you see domains with a domain authority of 20 or less in the top 10, that's a good sign the phrase is easy to rank for. But you also need to be careful here. If you see 2, 3 or more domains with DA less than 20 in the top 10 that have good on-page SEO, it might mean there are a few SEOs going after it. Competition with other SEOs is something you want to avoid as far as possible, as the competition can heat up and it can become hard to rank. On the other hand, sometimes the top 10 may all be high authority domains with domain authority greater than 60, but sometimes, not always, that's because no SEO is targeting the phrase and Google could not find a well-optimized page for the search, and it pulled results from high authority domains. If you suspect this is what is happening, you should check the on-page SEO and the backlinks to the pages. If the on-page SEO is non-existent and backlink counts are mostly all 0, you can conclude the phrase is easy. Backlinks. You want to see at least a few results in the top 10 that do not have any backlinks. The ideal scenario will be something like this. You see all exact match domains are available. None of the top 10 have been optimized. There is one DA10 site in the top 10 with 0 backlinks. Presence of other affiliate sites. This is very important. Very rarely, affiliate sites do not rank well in the SERPs for reasons best known only to Google. When you are initially researching a niche, you always want to check if Amazon affiliate sites are ranking in the top 10 for at least a few of the keywords. If you do not find Amazon affiliate sites in the top 10 for several keywords in a niche, you might not want to target the niche. Luckily, this only happens very, very rarely. Chances are you will never ever find a niche that does not have Amazon affiliate sites in the top 10. In the next video, we will see how to look for these parameters in Keyword Revealer.